Alright, so with this problem, you first start with the null hypothesis, which is H naught mu 1 is equal to mu 2 equal to mu 3. Then you go down and you do H1 is equal to at least one of the means differs. Next, you need to find K. You need to find K, which is the number of rows, which is 3. And then you need to find N, which is the number of samples, which is 30, because there are 10 in each row. You find K and N to help you find the critical value. And to find the critical value, you use inverse F. And the reason you need K and N is because after one of your inputs is 0.95, the next for this problem is going to be 2 and set in 27. But to get 2 and 27, you have to know this formula, the DFN, which is K minus 1. And that's how you get 2, obviously. And then the next formula is N minus K, which is how you get 27. Once you put that in your calculator, you should get 3.354. The next step is then to run an ANOVA test. And to get to the ANOVA test, you have to go to StatList Editor, and then go F6, ANOVA, and then when you're entering it, you should go to Data, once you select data, then you should enter the lists, and in this case you'd be entering 3 lists. And once you get all that on your calculator, then you can begin to start filling out this graph. And for this problem, the answers would be, for the between sources sums is 374.6, and then going down is within is 15,066.2, and then the total is, you add that up, and it's 15,440.8. And the DF column now is 2 with between, and then 27 for within, and then obviously you add those together again and it's 29. The mean squared for between is 187.3, and then 558.007, and then F is 0.33. And to finish off, you should make a graph. And F is like the test value. So if it's 0.33, then it would go right here. And the other number that we got earlier, because it's the critical value, would go right there, and it's 3.354. And because of the graph, we would not reject.